Hey there, fellow X enthusiasts. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent countless hours scrolling through X, formerly Twitter, watching videos, memes, and live streams. But have you ever wondered how to check your watch history? In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to access and manage your watch history on X in 2025. It's a super handy feature for revisiting your favorite content or cleaning up your activity. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your X account. Open the X app on your phone or head to twitter.com on your computer. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's the one with your picture or initials. This will drop down a menu. Go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. It's usually towards the bottom. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Safety section. Click on that and look for your activity or watch and search history. By 2025, X has made this even easier with a dedicated tab for media history. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the videos you've watched recently. You can scroll through it, filter by date, or even search for specific content. If you want to manage your history, there's an option to delete individual items or clear everything at once. Just hit the Manage button, select what you want to remove, and confirm. This is great for privacy, especially if you're sharing your device. Remember, X might update their interface, so if things look a bit different, double-check the Help section. And that's it. Checking your watch history on X is quick and straightforward, helping you keep track of what you've enjoyed. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.